Yes or no? So today we want to, start a topic called as dictionary, guys. Okay. We have completed something called as list. We completed something called as set, and we completed something called as tuple. Today we want to start a topic called as dictionary. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So a dictionary in Python is a built-in data type. Okay. All these, list, tuple, set are built-in data type. Like that, dictionary is a built-in, data structure, that stores data as what? As the key value pairs. Okay. Here the data are stored as key value pairs. So guys, from version 3.7, it has become, ordered collection of key value pair. It, preserves the order in which the data is, inserted from 3.7 version and above. Before 3.7 version, it was not preserving the order, but from the Python version 3.7 and above, it is having the ordered collection of key value pair enclosed in curly braces. This is the definition of, guys, dictionary. So what is dictionary definition? A dictionary in Python is a built-in what, guys? A dictionary in Python is, built-in, a dictionary in Python is what, guys? A built-in, data structure, and that stores data as key value pair. There will be a key and its corresponding value. It's an ordered collection of key value pair. There will be, an ordered preserved for, the value, inserted in, a particular dictionary. Before from Python 3.7, but before 3.7, no, there was no, ordered, preserved for dictionary. It was unordered, collection of key value pair. But here there's a collection of, there's a ordered preserved for key value pair. So this is what is dictionary, guys. Dictionary is a, built-in data structure that will store the data in key value pair. So the main thing is this is a dictionary. Let's suppose the name is my Dict. So this is a key, then there's a colon, then value one, comma, key two, colon, value two, comma, key three, colon, value three, and close in in curly braces. Let me just show you. Let's suppose I want to create a dictionary. So what is the first thing we will use? We'll use curly braces. Yes or no, guys? Then what we'll give? Let's suppose I give a value one. Then what you have to do? Colon and the value. Let's suppose the value is apple. So this is what? This is a key. Okay. This is a key. This is a colon. This is a value. This is called key value pair. This is a key colon. This is a value. This is key. You have to give colon. Then you have to write value. Then you have to give comma. Let's suppose key two, then colon, key, second key, colon, and then what we'll write? Value two, comma, key three, colon, value three. Similarly, guys, this is how we will, write down the key value pairs, guys. Are you clear till this much? Let us just, write down. So this is one of the, value, key value pair. Next, comma. Let's suppose I give a key as two, colon, the value as, mango. So this is again a key value pair, comma. This is the key three. And let's suppose I give a value, first you have to give a colon, then you will write what? The value. Let's suppose I write here orange. So this is what, guys? Key value pair, key value pair, key value pair. Between this key value pairs, there's colon. And between, one key value pair and the second key value pair, there's something called as comma, comma, comma. So one key value pair consists of a key and then a colon and, then value. Yes or no, guys? So let us just, see. Let's suppose this is a dictionary. So now if I want to print a dictionary, let me just write a variable d equals to this one. Now I want to print this. So how can I print it? Print d. Yes or no, guys? This particular, dictionary will be printed. This is what is a dictionary. This is how our dictionary looks. Any doubt, guys? How our dictionary looks? What is a dictionary? Bhuvneshwari, Gitanjali, Gokul, Kalpana, Rupa, so
Yes.
Sumati. Are you understanding how our dictionary is written? What is, yeah,
Yes.
tell me, tell me.
Yeah, yes, Vikram. Yeah.
Yeah, Kalpana, can I explain again? Are you guys clear? Anyone has any doubt? Tell me.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Fine, very good. So now, guys, this is mutable. What is mutable? It is changeable. We can add, modify, or remove any key value pair in the dictionary. We can do what, guys? We can add, modify, or remove any key value pair. Key value pairs, that means each entry in dictionary consists of a key and its corresponding value. Yes or no, guys? Each value in dictionary consists of what? A particular key and its corresponding value. From Python 3.7 version and above, dictionaries are ordered. That means it preserves the order of insertion. Next is keys are unique. That means what, guys? Duplicate values are not allowed for the keys. The last value for a duplicate will override the previous one. The last value what we will enter will override the previous one. This we will understand with the help of a code. Keys must be immutable. Okay, immutable means what? Not changeable. So what can be the keys? What are the immutable data type? String is an immutable data type. And what is an immutable data type? Number is an immutable data type. What is the next? Tuple is an immutable type. But what is the mutable data type? Do you know any mutable data type, guys? Can someone tell me a mutable data type? List is a mutable data type. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Dictionary is a mutable data type, but this string, number, tuple, these are immutable data types. Yes or no, guys? Values can be repeated and can be of any data type. Values can be repeated, can be duplicated, and any data type. But keys are always immutable and they are unique. Always remember. Let's suppose, guys, so what can be a key, guys? Key can be a string. Yes or no, guys? It should be what? See, keys are what? Immutable. Yes or no, guys? Keys are what? Immutable. So can we write a tuple here? Yes or no? As a key. Let's suppose I write here, 1, comma 2. This is a tuple. Yes or no, guys? Key and value. How can I write value? Let's suppose I write here apple. Yes or no, guys? Then give a comma. Again, I take a tuple, 3, comma 4. This is a particular a tuple, and here I take a value called as orange. Now I want to take a a string, okay, as a because this is also immutable. Let's suppose I take a string called as tree, okay, and I give a value, okay, and there here I write what? Banana. So now, guys, tell me, will this execute or not? Yes or no? Tell me, what do you understand from this example? What is this 1, comma 2? Can someone tell me what is this 1, comma 2? What
As
is
per
this?
my understanding, 1 comma 2 is apple.
No, no, 1,
And
comma 2 is what? It's a key. Yes or no?
yeah, yeah, key.
What kind of key it is? It is a tuple. Do you guys agree with me? This is a tuple. Yes or no,
Yes.
guys? And key and tuple is mutable or immutable? Tuple is mutable or immutable?
Immutable.
Mutable.
Tuple is immutable. Yes or no? So key should be what? What is the rule? Key are immutable. Yes or no? But value can be what? Value can be
Mutable.
mutable. Yes or no? Value can be mutable, immutable, repeatable. Yes or no, guys? Yes. But keys are what? Unique. Keys are unique. Yes or no? You cannot have duplicate keys. And if you keep duplicate, it will override the previous one, which we will see with the help of key, with the help of a code. So what will be the output, guys, according to you? What will be the output here? Will it get executed? This is a tuple, which is, immutable data type. Yes or no, guys? This is a tuple. It is an immutable data type. Okay. This is value apple. This is, tuple. This is again a key, which is immutable data type. Its value is orange. This is a string. This is again the third key. It is again immutable. And this value is banana. Will it get executed, guys? Yes, this will get executed. This is the key. This is the value. This is the key. This is the value. This is the key. This is the value. Any doubt, guys, here?
No, Vikram.
So what can be the keys? Keys can be what? What kind of data types can be keys? Can you tell me? Keys can be what?
Strings.
String. It can
String,
be, yeah, then
tuple.
tuple, then integer. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Tuple, value you can keep anything, but keys are what? Very, very unique, very, very, immutable. Yes or no, guys? Are you clear till this much? So now, after this, so now tell me, what if I, use a repeated value? Let's suppose this is a, a dictionary. Now, what I'm doing is that I'm just putting a duplicate value here. What will happen? Let's suppose I write here, in this, in this only, let me just give a repeated value. So what do you think? What will happen? A repeated key for one. Okay, one, and then here I write something, some value. I'm writing parrot. What will happen, guys? Can there be a duplicate key inside a dictionary?
No.
No, then what it will do? It will override the previous one. Yes or no, guys? So what will be the updated value coming? It will come what? One parrot and
Parrot.
one apple will be removed. Yes or no, guys? Let us just see. Let us just, print this. Print this, D. Can you see? So one parrot is coming. Yes or no, guys? Then two, mango is coming, and three, orange is coming. So it, overridden the, previous value with the new value. There's no duplicate key. It is, coming the value as, unique. The last value overwritten this, previous one, and then it is coming to mango, three, orange. Any doubt in this example? Are you clear, guys? Still this much? Any doubt?
Clear.
Clear? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. So first of all, dictionaries are mutable. We can, add or modify the key value. Then what happens? Key value pairs. Each entry in a dictionary consists of a key and its corresponding value. And these are, ordered. It, preserves the, the insertion order. Then it is what, guys? It's keys are unique. Duplicates are not allowed. The last value for the duplicate key will override the previous one. Key must be, immutable. Key can be string number or, tuple. Values can be, repeated and can be any data type. Can you remember the 6 point, guys? What is the first point? Overall dictionary is mutable. The values entered is what, guys? Key value pair. Each value will consist of what? Key value pair. Keys are unique. Keys are immutable. Then values can be, duplicate. It can be of any data type. Yes or no, guys? And then it is ordered. It preserves the ordered. Can you remember this much, guys? Yes or no? Then, guys, there are some, guys, can you remember these things? Tell me yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So now next is, guys, there are some methods. What are that methods? So Python dictionary comes with several, since it is mutable, it will have, so many, methods. So first is, guys, we have, printed our dictionary. Next is accessing the dictionary items. Now, how can we access our dictionary item? Let's suppose this is our dictionary. Now, how can we, guys, access this, dictionary item? So what we will write? We'll write this print statement, and this dictionary in the bracket will give the key value. Let's suppose I gave one. So what is the, it is one. It is not the index value. It's the key value. That means one. So now what it will give? It will give the value to this corresponding key. The value to this corresponding key, one is what? Apple. So what will be the output, guys? Value to this corresponding one is what? Parrot, because we have, used the repeated value. So let us just, remove this and let us just try to focus how to access the value. So what will happen? D of one, that means in this dictionary, I am writing the key and then I will get the corresponding value. That is nothing but apple. This is the way to access our dictionary and get its value. Any doubt, guys?
No, Vikram.
No.
So if I write here 3, what will be the output? Can someone tell me?
Orange.
Orange.
Yes or no? This will give the value. Very good, guys. So guys, there is also a way called as, let me just, paste this, code. Yeah. So now tell me, this is what, guys, what is happening in line number 3? Can someone tell me what is the output of this one? What is, what is happening? Can someone give me the answer?
Rama, it will display
So
person
why?
Rama.
Because you are using the key name, its
Key.
corresponding value is Rama. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
And here, what is a get age means what? Get is also a way to get the value. Yes or no, guys? How can we get the value of this, key age? So what we are using a method called as get. So get will also, that this is direct method. Directly, what is this method, guys? What is the difference between this and this? This is what? Directly, directly using what? Key to get the value. Yes or no, guys? Directly using what? Key to get the value. What is this one, guys? Next one. Can you tell me? Using which method, guys? Using dot get method to get the value. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no, guys? This is directly using directly using the key to get the value. And this is what, guys? This is what using the dot get method to get the value. So what will be the output of this one? Line number 3. Can someone tell me the output?
33.
This is
Line the
Rama,
Rama.
and line 7 output will be 33.
33.
Yes or no, guys? Let us just see. This is one method, guys. Get method. Okay. No. Then, guys, get what will happen is that if it does not give, you can give any default value if you want. If you don't want, if you don't get that particular particular value, you can give a default value, but this is an optional value to return if the key is not found. You can give any value. If you don't get that particular value, then you can give any default value if you want. You can just give here, let's suppose I give or something, whatever. Now if let's suppose you don't get that particular value, then you can use this one. Okay, let's suppose this particular key I use like something like this. So then what will happen is that this particular key ages is not available here. So what is happening? It is giving a default value, which is 0. It's very rarely used, but this is also a way. The default value, if it does not get that key, we can use this default value. Next is, guys, get using the key. So this I have already told you. Next is I want to tell you a method called as items. So items is something, guys, if I want item give all the element from the dictionary, returns of view object containing all the key value pairs in the dictionary as a tuple. Okay, it gives dictionary as a tuple. Let us just understand what is dictionary as a tuple and how is it different from accessing a normal dictionary. So this is a dictionary whose name I have given is myDict, and we are writing myDict.item. So it will display everything. So this is how, but display is where see the you see the output, guys. It is not normal output. So if you see here the output, so output, let us just paste it. See here the output. The output is if I enlarge it, see here, this is is coming as a view item. It is called as view item. So how it is coming is that this is what dict item. And in that, what happened is that this is a tuple. This one is called as a tuple. See, this is a tuple. Why it is tuple, guys? Because this is enclosed in a small bracket. What is the key? What is the value? Can you tell me what is the key and what is the value? This is a key whose name is name. Value is what, guys? ls. What is the key? Age. And whose value is what? 25. Yes or no, guys? This is key value, key value. Now, this particular key value, okay, is different from this particular key value. And the difference between one key value and another key value is what? Comma. Do you guys agree with? Yes or no? And everything is inside a list. Do you guys agree with me? This is a list. This is a list. Yes or no, guys? This is, and you will get a word written as dict item. Are you able to understand? This is how the item output comes. And if I simply print this, then we will not get this dict item. We will not get the output as dictionaries. If you see, if I, this is, this is something when we are printing. Okay, let me just, Let's just remove this output and simply print this, okay? Don't use, item. Let's suppose I write print my dict, okay? So this will not give the output like this. This is simply giving key value, key value. But here what we are getting, using, d dot item, it will give all the elements from the dictionary, but returns a view object. It is called as, guys, a view object, and this will contain the key value pair in the dictionary as a tuple. So this is coming, the output is coming as a tuple. See, this is a tuple, tuple 1 and tuple 2. So the output is coming as a tuple. See, this is tuple 1, this is tuple 2. Yes or no, guys? This is what is item. So this will return a view object containing all the key value pairs as a tuple. Okay, this will print the full dictionary. This will print the full dictionary, but this will return a view object containing all the key value pairs as a tuple. This is tuple 1, this is tuple 2. Yes or no, guys? So this is the difference. This will give dot get, dot items will give the output as a tuple. Okay, and then what will happen is that, and if I simply print it, I will not get it as a tuple, the key value pairs. I'll get key value as a dictionary. But here we will get the output as a tuple, key value, and above that it is in a list, and then this is the representation. Any doubt, guys, the difference between dot items and simple printing? If we use dot items, the output is coming as a key value pairs are coming as a tuple. But if we don't use dot items and we simply print the values, we'll get the key value, key value. Are you clear, guys? What is the difference between dot items and simply printing the key value pair? Tell me, guys, yes, no, what is happening? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, guys, now next is, if I want the, keys, only if I want the keys, it will return a view object containing all the keys in the dictionary. So let's suppose this is a dictionary. I want only the keys. So what I have written, dot keys. This will give all the, keys. And this is, the keys. Yes or no, guys? These are the keys, name and age. Keys will give keys. And let's suppose I want the values. So what I will write, you can use my dict dot, values, and you will get the values. This is the values. It's coming in a list format. The values. This is coming a key. And if I write, print, my dict and dot items, what will I get? I'll get the key value pairs in, tuple, key value, key value. Then, guys, there's something called as, clear method. So if I want to clear all the, items, so I can write here print my dict dot, clear. So this will clear all the items of this dictionary. So we'll get, output as, nothing, because it's, clearing all the items. So this is called as, guys, clear. So now let us just, print this my dict. So we are getting none because, everything is cleared using this cleared, method, which will clear all the key value, pairs. After clear, guys, there's a method called as, copy. Let me just, remove this, clear, else I will get, cleared values. Let us just, use the copy method. So what I will do is that I will use, print and we'll take it as my dict, dot copy. Okay, so this is the copy method. If I want to, copy this, entire, dictionary, we'll go with this, copy method. This is, see, the name is only telling what this will, guys, copy, returns a copy of the dictionary, shallow copy of the dictionary. Later we will see, guys, what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. As of now, it will just copy this dictionary. This is what is the copied, this is what is the copy of the dictionary. Next is, guys, delete, and the delete keyword is used to delete a key value pair from a dictionary by specifying the key. So if we want to delete a key value pair, we'll have to use the key to delete. So we are using this, delete the age key pair value. If I want to delete this age key pair value, I'm using this keyword called as delete, and I'm giving the dictionary name in the bracket. I'm giving the key as age, and this will delete the key value pair. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt here how the key value pairs are deleted? Yes or no, guys? How the key value pairs are deleted? This is how we have deleted this, key value pair using this del keyword. And there is, guys, are you clear with this, how to delete a key value pair using this delete keyword?
Clear.
So delete keyword is used to delete a key value pair from a dictionary by specifying the key, okay? And pop method removes the key value pair and returns the value for a specified, key. If the key is not found, you can optionally provide a default value to avoid the error. Pop will again, guys, delete the, key value pair for the particular, told key. So if I give a key and I use pop, so again it will, delete this, for the particular age, and this particular key value pair will be, deleted. See here, is deleting this particular key value pair age 25, and this is returning removed value, whatever removed value was there, that is nothing but this this particular key value pair. So it's returning its corresponding value, that is nothing but the 25. And this is what this particular key value pair got removed using pop and using delete. Both we have seen, both are doing the same job. Okay, now, if key doesn't exist, we can use, guys, any, default value. This we have, already, discussed. If it is not found, we can use any, default value. Let's suppose key not found, we can write here. So this is what the ways to delete the key value pair, guys. We can use pop, we can use delete, and we can have, default values in case, the key is not, present. Are you able to understand, guys, what is delete, what is pop, how to access the values using, dictionary dot values, using dictionaries dot get, and then we can give the key to get the values, directly accessing a dictionary, and then getting that, keys using keys method, values using values method, items to get the key value pairs. So now, after this, guys, how to, in Python, we don't have append method like list. If we want to, add a item key value pair, we'll have to use assignment operator. That is nothing but the equal to. So how can we, add a value? So dictionary will give the key and equal to value. This is how, guys, we can add a value. Let's suppose this is a dictionary. And here I want to add a value, guys. So what I have to do is that you have to write my dict, and then you have to give a key. Let's suppose I give a key as 1. And I give a, a value corresponding to this. Let's suppose I give apple. So now what will happen if I, print this, my dict, I will be having one particular, item added. See here. How we are using? We are using equal to operator, guys. This is very important. We are using what? Equal to operator. Are you able to understand, guys, what we are using? We are using which operator? Equal to operator. To add an element in a dictionary, we are using which operator? Equal to operator. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? Let's suppose I want to add another element. So yeah, can someone tell me the code, how to add this another element? Yeah, Sumati, can you tell me how to add another element in this, key value pair? Bhuvneshwari, Gitanjali, Gokul, Kalpana, can.
Dictionary key
Okay.
value.
We'll give the key. Let's suppose I give the key. Then what I have to do?
Equal to.
And equal to
Then I can give a value. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Now, if I print this, so will it be added or not added? Definitely it will be added. Let us just see. This is how we add an element to a particular dictionary. Are you clear till this much?
Yes.
Next is, guys, update method used to add multiple key value pair from another dictionary, or iterables like a list or a tuple or another dictionary. So when we want to add multiple, key value pair, from a list or a tuple or dictionary, we will use, guys, something called as, update method, dictionary dot update key value, key value, key value. Let's suppose, guys, this is a dictionary, okay, and I can add single value, but now I want to, add multiple key value pairs. So what I have done, I've used this update method, and this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value. And now all these values will be added. Yes or no, guys? City, New York, country, USA. Do you guys agree with me? I want to add multiple key value pairs. I will use a method called as update. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes.
This is how, guys, we update, multiple values. Yes. Now, now, guys, what I want to do is, I want to, update using, gender equals to, female. So now what will happen? Let's suppose I, update using, gender equals to female. Then what will happen? This will be your, let's suppose, print it here. This particular value is also added. This is also a way to, add. One is what? Update key value, key value, key value. You're writing in a, a dictionary, format. One is you can give the, value key equals to value, and you can just this update this value using the keyword argument, key and the value. So how can, you convert a list of tuple into a dictionary? So there should be, you can use, Dict to convert a list of, tuple into a dictionary. Each tuple should have exactly two elements. The first element will be used as key and second element as a value. So there should be only two, values for converting a list of tuple into a dictionary. Data type, conversion, I have told you, type conversion, use this dict and pass this, tuple, which is having only two values, key value, it's converted. Let's suppose I give one more value. So let's suppose I give a key, okay, and its corresponding value. Let's suppose I give a, key. I give a key, let's suppose I give, apple, okay, and I give this, corresponding value, okay. I give the value as, 3. So let us just see, guys, we can, add a value or not. Definitely, you can, you have a, a tuple list, which you have converting into a dictionary. What is the method I'm using? I'm using the dict method. Any doubt, guys? What about Bhumneshwari, Gitanjali,
So
Sumati? Tell me, tell me. Can I
can
repeat
you?
it? Yes,
Yeah,
yes. See, this is basically a tuple. Do you guys agree with me? Why it is a tuple? It is written in small bracket. Yes or no? Whenever the items are written in a small bracket means what? This is what? A particular, tuple. Do you guys agree with me? This is a tuple. This comma, this is a tuple. Okay. And this is a tuple. Now, these are, list of tuple because it is inside a list. Now,
Okay.
how we do type conversion? Tell me, if there is 20, which is a string value, I want to convert into int. What I will do, let's suppose the value is a. So I want this, to be converted into, a equals to, 20, Okay, now I want to convert into int. What can I do? I can write like this, right? Int of a. Do you remember type conversion? Now, if I print this,
Yes.
what will happen? This will be, converted into integer. Do you agree with me? String is converted into integer. Now, this is a tuple, guys. Okay, tuple list is there. What is the tuple list? Tell me. There's a value, list of value. Let's suppose there's a value, a, okay, and comma 1. Okay, this is a, list of, tuple. This is list of tuple. This is, this is the, key. This is the value. Again, there's a value in the, list of tuple. There's a tuple. The key is b. Okay, as value is 2. Okay, now let us just close this. This is, guys, this is a tuple. This is another tuple. This is one tuple. This is another tuple. Now there should be exactly two values. If there are three values, then we cannot do. Okay, there are only two values. Two values means here key value like this. Okay, and here there can be any number of elements. Let's suppose there are three tuples here. One tuple, tuple 2, tuple 3. There can be 100 tuples. But inside this tuple, there should be only two, so that we can identify this is the key and this is the value. Now I want to convert this tuple list into value. So what can I do? Can someone tell me what can I do? I'll use which method? I'll use dict method. Do you remember when I was teaching you type conversion? There's a method called as dict. I can write here tuple list, yes or no? And this will be converted into what? Dictionary. And this value is coming as what? A1. This is the key. This is the value. There's a colon between them and the comma. One key value pair will be separated from another key value pair with the comma. One key value pair will be separated from another key value pair with a comma. And this key and value will be separated with colon. Are you getting understanding, guys, how this tuple, list got, converted into a dictionary? Any doubt?
Yes.
Clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Clear.
So now you'll learn, guys, something called as looping through a dictionary. So how can we, loop through a dictionary? So guys, this is called as, items, guys, items. My dict.items. This will give what? All the values from, from this, dictionary key value. And from there, I wanted the key comma value. So I can just get this key value pair like this. This is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value. This is, for loop. Again, I will teach you for loop. As of now, it will iterate each and every element. So what is happening here is my dict.item. This is giving what? All the key value, key value. Now I wanted to print the key and then the value, corresponding value. So here the key is name and value is Alice. Another key is, age, another value is 25. Yes or no, guys? So what will happen? Name Alice, age 25, this key value, which is getting printed. So see the output. This is the output. Yes or no, guys? Yeah. Any doubt, guys? What if I want to print only keys? I can write here keys. This will, print only the key. What if I want to, only print the, see this one, guys. What is the output? It's only the, key. Yes or no, guys? Only the key, age to age, and then, name. Yes or no? So this is what, if I, want to print only the values, I can write here values. So this is, guys, printing, keys or values, and it's, using the for loop. If I want the, value, okay. So this is what is, guys, the way,
Okay.
Any doubt, guys, here? So guys, this is, guys, key values, this is the particular, looping statement, guys, key comma values. Generally people use like this, key comma value, and they, they want to print the key comma, value. Okay. If they want, they will use this one and they will get the corresponding, key value. If they want, only values, they can use this method values. And then, from here, you can just get the, only values. If I want, only values. Okay. So only values, if I want, I can get this one. If I want, only the keys, I can use a method called as keys. And I can just, write here, let's suppose I write here key and I want to print this, so I can get the keys, only keys. This is, guys, these are few of the techniques. If I want the key values, I want the only keys using the for loop, or I want only the, values. So this is how the for loop works. Any doubt, guys?
But when giving us dot items, it will return as tuples only, no, sir. But it is
Yeah,
giving
always. Yeah, it will give, even if I am printing, keys, it will give, key value only. Dot items, is returning, only always, key value. Only if you want keys, you write down there explicitly key. If you want only values, you write down explicitly values. And what if, I write here, only, my dict, will it work? If I write like this, guys? Yes or no, guys? Let's suppose, I write here, key comma, values. Okay. And I want to print this key comma, values. Too many values to unpack. Are you able to see? So we cannot, get like this. Let's suppose we want, only, key. Yes or no, guys? Let's suppose we want only, key. So let us just try to get only key. Definitely. Let us just try to get only, values. Write down here values. So always it is giving, keys. Yes or no, guys? It's not, giving the values. So this is what, guys, is the problem with now if I directly want to, access, okay? So what we do is, guys, we use something called as values or, keys or, items. We cannot use directly this, my dict. That is what I wanted to show you. See, even if I am trying to, take out the values, I am getting what? The keys only. So if I want only values, which method I will use? I'll use the method called as values. Yes or no, guys? Now I'll get the values. If I want only keys, tell me, guys, which method I will use? Keys. Yes or no, guys? I will get the keys. If I want the key values, then what I will use? I'll use items. Now, can I get the key values? Yes or no, guys? I'll get the key value. Any doubt here? Values will give values, keys will give keys, items will give key, value, both the values. Yes or no, guys? I cannot use directly, accessing. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
So guys, so this, I have already told you mydict.item returns a view object that contains key value, pairs as a tuple. So this I have, already tell you. For key value in mydict items, this is a for loop that goes through each key value pair. On each loop iteration, key gets the current, key and value gets the current, value. This, I have already, guys, told you this particular, example. Now let us see, guys, check if a key exists. If a key exists or not, we have to check in a dictionary. Then we can go with this method. Let us just, go here and see this name existing here or not. So it will tell what name is present. So it is true. This is just in existence of this key in this particular dictionary. So it's telling true. In list also we have, seen this if a, value is existing or not. Any doubt, guys, in this, in if a key name exists or not. Any doubt, guys? No doubt. Are you clear about, guys? In yes or no?
Yes, Vikram.
So now, guys, let us just, guys, revise what we have learned. And but before that, guys, are you getting some idea, guys? For loop and if else, for I in, because I want to, I have a separate set of, guys, numerical questions which I will be discussing. Okay, but I want, if else and loop, you should have some idea. Again, I will teach that. So are you understanding, guys? What is this for loop? Let's suppose I write range 5 means what? The values are what? Range 5 means what? 0,
0 to
1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you guys agree with me? And if I write print of I, I'll get all this value 0 to 4. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
yes, Vikram.
Yes or no, guys? No. Let's suppose, guys, I want, let's suppose, let me just see your, little bit coding skill. Can I ask some, codes, guys? Yes or no? Do you guys agree with me? Can I ask some codes? Let us just see how much we know. Let's suppose there's a string, apple. Okay, let us just see our coding skills. I want to reverse this string. What will be the code? Can someone tell me? Can someone try? If I want to reverse this string, what will be the code?
Colon -1.
What is the another way? Let's suppose I write down this is first way, colon -1. And what can be the other way?
Reverse.
No, can we use, for loop? We don't have a reverse method, Reversed is there, but reverse is not there, in a string. So this is one way. This is, this is fine. But what about, using for loop? What will happen if I put a for loop? For I in, string. So what will be the output if I, print this, I? So what will be the output, guys? This will, go through each and every, characters. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Now, if I want to, reverse it, what can I do? Do you guys, can you think? If I, want to, reverse it, can I take a, empty, string and, I can, what I can do is that this empty string, I can just, concatenate with each and every, letter. Can I try like that? Let's suppose, I in apple. The first letter is what, guys? I in apple. The first letter is what? A. Yes or no, guys? So R is blank. Okay. So let's suppose I write R plus I. So what will happen? First R is nothing. R plus I, it will be A. Yes or no, guys? Next letter is P. Yes or no, guys? Now value of R is nothing but the A. Now value of R is, nothing but the A. Now I want what, guys? This P. So what I will do? P plus A. Yes or no, guys? Plus is like a concatenation operator. Yes or no, guys? So can I take I plus R? Then what will happen? What is the value of I now? The I value is what, guys? I value is A. Yes or no? I value is A. Now A will be, added to this particular R. And, first value of, I was what? A. So R value became A. Now the value of I is what? P. So P plus A, it will become, PA. And this is the value of R now. The value of R is what? PA. Now I value will take one more, P. So what will happen? So I value is P and plus PA. So now the total value is PPA. Similarly, guys, LPPA. Last value will be what? ELPPA. Let us just give a guys, try and see, try to, understand, does it gets, executed in such a way as I was, trying to, do I plus, I plus R we have, written. Let us just, try to see what is the output. I plus, R. And we just, print this particular, R, and we just see what is happening, guys. Okay. So now see here. Are you getting this values? Yes or no, guys? So what is happening? ELPPA. What happened? Tell me. So first we tried with a empty we have taken an empty string. In that, guys, what we did, we tried to reverse this. So what we did is that we taken this empty string, and then we tried to sum up with this. So this is what is the thing, guys. And if this is coming, so many times, because I kept this, print inside this for. If you want, a single print, you can just use outside the loop. And this is what is the thing, guys. This is how we will have to think, guys. Okay, how can we reverse when we, use this for loop? What we did is that we went to each and every item. So what is this I doing? First it went to what? It went to A. Then it will get the letter called as what, guys? Tell me, what are the letters it will get? And someone tell me what are the I values will be what? I values will be what? First it will get A, then it will get P, then it will get P, then it will get L, then it will get E. These are the values of I. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am doing, an empty string R, and which I am, concatenating with I. So first value is A. So R will be A. This is fine, guys. Now what will happen is R equals to I plus A. What is the value of I now? It is P. Yes or no? P plus A. So what will be the value? PA. Now R value will be what? Now what is the, R value is PA. Okay. And what is the I value? Can someone tell me what is the I value, guys, now? What is the I value?
P.
Again, P, yes or no? Very good.
Mm.
Now if I, add this, guys, R equals to, what is the final code? R equals to what? I plus R. Then what will happen? Tell me. What is the I value? P. And R value is, already PA. Okay. Now tell me what will be the I value? Next I value?
L.
L. Okay. And, if I do I plus, R, what will be the value? I plus R value. What will be I plus R value? Can tell me. L.
PPA.
PPA. Yes or no, guys? Next, what is the, I plus R is going again into R. So the value of R is what, guys? L PPA. Yes or no? Now what is the value of I? Tell me. I value is what? E. Yes or no, guys? Now what I am doing? I plus, R. So what will be the final value, guys? I value is E. And this value is, R value is L PPA. Is it reversed? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Are you to understand, guys, how we will think in the codes? Yes or no? So we will have, separate, guys, we have, separate, interview questions where all the codes are only written. Okay. So I'm just waiting for this, your loop and if else to be, completed, so that, we'll go through the interview, questions where, I have completely, I have this, interview questions where we will have, all the numericals, guys. Let's suppose, how to reverse a string, write a function to check if the number is palindrome, how to find the second maximum element in the list, how to find the count of words in a string, how to find the duplicate characters in the string. We'll not see the answers. We'll try to solve, and I'll give you assignments. So we will proceed with this, the coding part. So as of now, guys, for the dictionary, I want, some interview questions, whatever we have studied today. So I want you to give me the answers. Let us just see how much you remember. Yeah, guys. So now you give me the answers, guys. So the questions is, the questions are, very, very, yeah. So now my questions from you is from the dictionary. Question number 1 is, what is a dictionary? Can someone give me the answer? What is a dictionary? Guys, what is a dictionary? Can someone give me the answer?
It is unordered and
It is
it
a,
has key value pair.
yes, it is a data type, Python data type, Python, it is a Python data type. Yes or no, guys? Where values are in what? Key value pair, key
Yes.
value pair. Yes or no, guys? And it is enclosed in what? It is,
Flower bracket.
yes, enclosed in flower bracket, curly braces or flower bracket. Okay. Next, guys, tell me, the properties of, and not only that, you have to tell entire definition. What is my next question? What is the properties? So you have to tell if this can be told in the definition also. Properties. So tell me what are the properties of, of a dictionary? What are the properties?
Mutable.
Keys are mutable. This is first thing. Okay, then no, keys are not. We'll write like dictionaries are mutable. Then
Mutable.
dictionaries are ordered. Yes or no, guys? Next,
Is unique.
keys are unique. Yes or no, guys? Then what about the keys? One more thing. Keys are immutable.
Immutable.
What are immutable? Integer,
Integer, string, tuple.
tuple. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now tell me about values. Values are
Values are mutable.
mutable, immutable. Anything we can, write mutable or, don't write mutable or immutable. Any data type. Yes or no? Values, values can be, duplicated. Yes or no, guys? No. This is, this is the definition of dictionary. Next is, guys, next question to you guys is, how to get the, keys, values, from a dictionary. How to get the values from a dictionary? Okay. A single value. Okay. First is a single value. And next question is all the values. So my question to you is how, let's suppose there's a dictionary where is, key value pair is 1 and then apple, okay, and then comma, 2 comma, colon, okay, 2 colon, and it is having a value, mango, and comma, key is 3 colon, value is orange. Now, my question to you is, this is a dictionary. From this dictionary, I want a single value. Let's suppose for this particular key, 2, what is the value? So what will be the code? Let's suppose, let's suppose the dictionary name is, A equals to this much. Okay. Now I want a single value I want the value corresponding to key 2. What is the value? How can I get?
Print of A of key value 2. A of 2.
Then we have to write in square bracket. Yes or no? Like a list. This is one way. Yes or no, guys? And one more way.
Get by using get method.
Get. How? A dot.
Get of
2. Yes or no, guys? This is one way. Now, if I want all the values, I can get all the values. What is the method? A dot values.
Item.
Yes or no, guys? A dot values, right? To get the values. If I want all the keys, tell me. Question number 4. If I want all the keys, if I want, all the keys, what I will do? A dot keys. Do you guys remember? Yes or no? If I want, to print the key value pairs. So how can I use key value pairs? Key value pairs. If I want to, print the key value pair, what will be the answer?
A dot items.
Yes. Let me just write down. Yeah. To print all the key value pairs. So what is the answer? Print all
A
the key
dot
value. A dot items, guys. Do you guys agree with me? A dot items, or we can write what, guys? Simply, we can print A also. Yes or no? This will also give. This is all about, guys, a particular dictionary. Now I want, few of the methods which we have, studied in this, dictionary. Let's suppose I want to, question is to clear all, key value pairs of a dictionary. Key value pair of a dictionary. Okay. Of a dictionary. How can we clear all the, key value pair of a dictionary? Let's suppose the name of the dictionary is A. So A dot clear. Yes or no, guys? To copy, our dictionary. What is the method used to copy a dictionary? Can someone tell me?
Copy
To copy a
method.
dictionary. A dot copy. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? Next is, guys, next question to you guys is my question number, let's suppose 6. To, update, multiple, values in a dictionary. Which is the method used to update a multiple, values? A dot update. Do you guys agree with
Update.
me? A dot update, and then here you can write the key value, key value, key value. Next is how to, guys, delete how to delete a particular, key value pair. So what is the method? Can someone tell me the particular, key value pair? If I want to delete, what can I use?
Pop method.
Pop method is there, and delete also. Yes or no, guys? Delete A, and then we can give the, the key, whatever the key is there. Yes or no? This is one way. And also there's a way called as, guys, pop method. A dot pop, and then just give the key value. Yes or no, guys? This is also a way, and delete is also a way. Yes or no, guys? And then after this delete and all, what we learned is that we learned something called as, guys, for loop. So how can we use, how can we use for loop to fetch the value of a, key value? To fetch the key value, how can we use for loop, guys? For key comma, what we write? Key comma value in what we did for key comma value in whatever dictionary. A dot what we did, items. Yes or no, guys? A dot items, and then we were printing what? We were printing what? We were printing the key value. Yes or no, guys? We're printing this key comma value. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So this is, we have learned today, guys, from the dictionary. And then we learned, if a item is present in our dictionary, how can we get? Using which operator? To, to check a particular, last thing we learned, a particular, key is present in a dictionary. What is the way, guys? Using which operator?
in.
In operator. Yes or no, guys?
In.
Let's suppose, in operator. Yes or no, guys? We'll use in operator. Let's suppose there's a key. So what we'll write? One, let's suppose the key is one. So one in this, dictionary A. Yes or no, guys? That is what we want to check. So this is what, guys, we have learned about this, dictionary. That is what, guys, I have taught you in this particular topic called as dictionary. So this is, guys, you just revise the things, guys, so that we can, and converting a value of, tuple into dictionary, we use this Dict method. And you can just, guys, go through this, notes as well as the questions as well as the recording. From tomorrow, guys, I will start to for the, for the Monday, actually those who are, conditional statements and looping, by Tuesday, and then we will go to the coding part. Apart from that, guys, those who have, joined, guys,